What's going on, y'all? You see the thumbnail. Meatless Monday, y'all, in full effect. And we doing mushroom today. Mushrooms. But, y'all, but anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So let's start off by cleaning our mushrooms. Now you can do this the way I'm doing it, just rinsing them off and wiping them off as you go. Or you can take them individually if you think that the water is going to be absorbed in the mushrooms too much, and wipe them off that way. But make sure you get your dirt off, y'all. Make sure you get that dirt off. But anyway, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. So we gonna take a whole onion and we gonna go ahead and get him diced on up. My bad, y'all. I mean chopped. So let's go and get our onion chopped. After we get our onion chopped, we're gonna come in with a whole bell pepper, but we're only taking one little side of it. And we're gonna dice that up. Let me get this stick off here, y'all. We don't wanna be eating no paper. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's go and get this bell pepper chopped. So we got olive oil in our pan, and we're gonna go ahead and add our onions and our bell peppers. Of course, you know we gotta give that a mix. Get them stirring around so they all hit that pan evenly. And of course, you know we got a rain on them. Go ahead and hit them with some pepper and some salt. Let's give that a mix right quick. Let everything combine together. And to this, we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of vegetable stock. And while that simmers away, we're gonna go ahead and get our mushrooms ready. Now I removed the stems from my mushrooms so I can go ahead and chop those up. Cause I didn't want whole stems, y'all. It just works out better to me, but you can do it whatever way that you like to do it. However you like your mushroom to be. And let's get our tops chopped up. Oh yeah, this gonna be tasty, y'all. Gonna be tasty. So yeah, once we get our mushrooms all chopped up, we're gonna get them into our pan with our onions and bell peppers and vegetable stock. And we just gonna let that simmer on down, yeah. Now after it simmers for about a good 4 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add in our Stelly, which is just a mixture of cornstarch and water, mixed well without any lumps, and it will thicken any sauce that you need it to, y'all. Any sauce. And then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter, which is just gonna get us give us a little extra richness. And once it simmers down and you get to the point where when you move your spoon across the pan, you can see the bottom, it's time to plate up, y'all. So I had mine with some polenta. And it was real tasty, y'all. I really enjoyed it. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.